What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is the PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-116439-4, unable to connect to the server. So it's a network error, connect to the server problem, network problem, PSN problem. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we go to fix. And we go to the screen and the settings. User and account, you must check your PSN account is logged in or not. Sometimes you sign out, and sometimes your PS5 console is not logged in. You must check it, and then go to the network group, PlayStation Network Services. All is green. If you get the red option, you just wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. If green, then you set your internet connection and change the DNS settings, MTU settings, simply 1500. You just search it, which one is working good in your country, just put it back here, primary DNS, it's secondary DNS, and then connect with the new internet connection. And you must contact with the local internet provider, they will be fixed. So simply that's how you can fix this error, kind of error. And I hope you found my video helpful for you, and see you soon for the next one.